Good morning, children. I hope you all are ready for the exercise of the chapter 3 Movements of the Earth. Those children who have already done the exercise in their copy can check, and those who have missed out before can note down now. So, children, let's start the exercise of chapter 3 Movements of the Earth. Movements of the Earth. Fill in the correct numerals. 1. 1 minute is equal to dash seconds. The answer is 60 seconds. Second, 1 hour is equal to dash minutes. And the answer is 60 minutes. Third one, 1 hour is equal to dash seconds. And the answer is 3600 seconds. Fourth one, 1 day is equal to dash hours. And the answer is 24 hours. Fifth one, 1 month is equal to dash days. And the answer is 30 days. Sixth one, 1 year is equal to dash months. And the answer is 12 months. Seventh point, 1 year is equals to dash days. And the answer is 365 days. Eighth point, 1 leap year is equals to dash days. And the answer is 366 days. Children, you can check your answers from here. Checkpoints. Fill in the blanks. First one, the earth moves around the dash. And the answer is sun. Second point, dash is the movement of the earth on its axis. And the answer is rotation. Third point, to rotate once on its axis, the earth takes about dash. And the answer is 24 hours. Fourth point, the part of the earth which has dash is turned away from the sun. And the answer is night. Children, you can check your answers from here. Read and answer. A. Take the correct answers. Number 1. Nicholas Copernicus said that the earth revolves around the A. moon, B. pole star, C. sun, D. comet. And the answer is C. sun. Second point, the movement of the earth around the sun is called, and the options are A. revolution, B. rotation, C. gravitation, D. season. And the answer is A. revolution. Third point, the revolution of the earth causes, options are A. days and nights, B. seasons, C. natural disasters, D. thunder and lightning. And the answer is B. seasons. Fourth point, when it is summer
Children,
in the northern
you
hemisphere,
can check your answers
the southern
from here.
hemisphere experiences
First one, sun.
options
Second
are
one, revolution.
A.
Third
winter,
one, seasons.
B.
Fourth
spring,
one, winter.
The
C,
underlined word
rains. In each sentence
D. autumn,
is incorrect.
and the answer is
Write the
A.
correct word.
winter.
First one, the sun rotates from the west to the east. The underlined word is sun, and the answer is earth.
Second point, the sun rises in the west. The underlined word is west, and the answer is east. Third point, the revolution of the earth causes days and nights. The underlined word is revolution, and the answer is rotation. Fourth point, the orbit of the earth is circular. The underlined word is circular, and the answer is oval. Fifth point, when it is autumn in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. The underlined word is winter and the answer is spring.
Children, you can check your answers from here. First one, earth. Second one, east. Third one, rotation. Fourth one, oval. Fifth one, spring.
See, answer these questions. First one, what is rotation? How long does the earth take to rotate on its axis once? Question number 2, explain how days and nights are caused. Question number 3, what is revolution? How long does the earth take to complete one revolution? Fourth question, how do seasons occur? Explain with a diagram.
Answer 1. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation from west to east. Answer number 2. The earth is spherical in shape and receives light only in half
Of its portion from the sun at a particular time. This half has day and the other half, which is opposite to the earth, has night. This is how the day and night is caused. Answer 3. When the earth is rotating on its axis, it also revolves round the sun. This movement is called revolution. It takes about 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Answer 4. Seasons occur due to the rotation and revolution of the earth. It also occurs because of its elliptical orbit. The earth is closer to the sun during the northern hemisphere's winter. The distance from the sun does not affect the seasons. The tilt of the earth's axis causes the seasons to change. Here we ends up with the exercise of chapter 3. See you in the next class.